Welcome back to Rare Oakleys. Today, guys, we're going to be unofficially unboxing, and reviewing one of the coolest pairs of Flak 2.0s ever from the Infinite Hero collection. And did you guys know there are actually two different versions of Infinite Hero Flak 2.0s? Well, today we're going to take a look at the first pair. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you never miss a future episode of Rare Oakleys, because why would you want to do that? By the way, make sure you check out our other videos. And I say this a lot, but I'm going to tell you, many of our greatest videos are even non-Oakley related. And I know most of you are here for the Oakley videos and Oakley content, and that's awesome. But keep in mind, we got some really awesome videos that are non-Oakley related. So definitely check them out, and definitely check out my book. I lived in a homeless shelter in high school, faced a seemingly insurmountable amount of obstacles, but still managed to retire early at the age of only 46. Well, guess what? You can retire early too, unless you're already really old. But you still should read my book, because it's great, and it's fun, and it's entertaining, and even my wife endorses it, and she always busts my chops. So if you want something that's motivational, if you want something that's educational, if you want something to inspire you, check out my book. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. And also, I'm going to link this below in the description. Check out Rakuten, guys. If you don't know about Rakuten, you get cash back on items that you're going to buy anyway on at least 9 out of 10 stores online. So I've been using Rakuten for a number of years, and I've racked it up with Rakuten. I got all kinds of money. Right now, you can check down below in the links in the description, and there's a referral link. I'll get credit. You'll get credit. Literally, at the time that this video is being shot, you can spend $50 and get $50 back. Who doesn't like that? That's awesome. So check it out. Links are below in the description. But Flak 2.0s, some of the most versatile, comfortable, and some of the best Oakleys around today, here in 2026. This, again, is the Infinite Hero edition, at least the first one. And you got the label here, Infinite Hero Collection, Flak 2.0 XL. Dark gray lens with black dark gray frame with black iridium lenses. By the way, we customize these, and I think you guys are going to like the customization a lot, which is another reason why we want to review these. But you got your skew down here. We'll zoom in on that. And again, remember, there were two different versions of the Infinite Hero Flak 2.0. This is the first one that was released. Very tough to find now here in 2026, by the way. You can, but mostly you're not going to get a brand new pair. So these are brand new, never worn. I don't think these were ever even tried on. I don't remember trying them on, but some registration paperwork in there as usual. Nothing too fancy, but check it out. This is back when Oakley still offered the very cool reinforced nylon ballistic cases, not like the luxottica trash that they have now. They call it the Sport Case Gen 2. They're not good at all. True metal icon here, metal Oakley ellipse. Come on in. And as a friendly reminder, whenever you guys unzip these or open these up, don't grab the pull tab here, or the zipper tab at the end. It's likely to break. I don't know why Oakley couldn't have used a higher grade plastic for these pull tabs. Think about it. The frames, right? O-matter. You guys know how durable the frames are for the Flak 2.0s, right? I mean, you can bend them quite a bit and no problem. Why couldn't they have used the same plastic, the same O-matter for the ends for the zippers here? It doesn't make sense, but they don't. So these zippers tend to crack with time, especially if you have an older ballistic case here. So always grab the zippers by the base to avoid cracking or breaking your zipper tab. Look at this. You got an extra set of nose bombs. Well, you know what's in here probably, right? This is not, well, it's technically an extra set of lenses, but this was the original set of lenses that came in here, the black iridium lenses. And really nothing special about these except they had the Infinite Hero logo laser etched on the bottom corner of the left lens, which is right here. You guys can see that, right? Let's zoom in on that so they can see that there. Infinite Hero logo right there. There we go. We got a good shot of it. Make sure it's clear too. There we go. Clear and in focus. So you got the Infinite Hero logo right there. But I'm going to put this back. So I decided to customize these, and we're going to take a look here in just a few seconds. You got your Infinite Hero microfiber bag. And yes, of course, there were different versions. Come on over so we can see this. There were different versions of the Infinite Hero microfiber bag, which is cool. How many versions were there? I don't know exactly, but you can see here there's at least 2 of them, right? But we're going to open these up. And I happen to like this one because it's just more visually appealing with the different shades of purple. And notice also with this Infinite Hero bag, right? Maybe hold it up here. Maybe I'll hold it up for a thumbnail, right? You get a good shot of that. There we go. That's good. But notice here, you've got a dark purple at the bottom, right? Or dark violet here at the bottom, and it fades into a lighter violet at the top. There's also a little graphic here. See that? Yeah. So I like this microfiber bag a lot. And of course, the Infinite Hero logo. But these, oh wow, look at that. Can they see that? Wow, maybe that would be a better thumbnail, huh? You see that? Wow, that's cool. Look at these guys. These are absolutely gorgeous. Let me put this out so you can actually see the microfiber bag. By the way, this here is, of course, an Infinite Hero microfiber bag from another pair of Infinite Hero Oakleys, but this is actually an Oakley stand. It's on an Oakley point of purchase stand, genuine Oakley stand, but hard to find now. These still have the plastic on the ear stems here, and you got the nice dark gray frame, which actually they don't make anymore. Beautiful violet, right? Violet icon there. Black ear socks. I kind of wish they would have had violet ear socks. And again, instead of the traditional black iridium lenses in there, we've got polarized lenses. As you can see, these are polarized. You can see by the etching there. And yes, they are genuine OEM, but these are not violet. These, I believe, if you look in the center there, I believe these are sapphire. And it's hard to tell. I wish we had more natural lighting so we could show you guys, but I believe these are sapphire lenses. Remember, there's different batches. There's different hues to different batches. Most batches are going to be fairly consistent, but once in a while, you'll get that outlier where you'll have a different color, right? A different set of hues in the lenses. If you guys remember, for those of you who haven't seen it, again, check out our other videos. We've got a video on a pair of OCP radars in polished aluminum with G26, but the G26 has beautiful purple and violet hues on about half the lens towards the outside. So this, again, sapphire, I believe a sapphire lens. I don't know if we can capture that. It looks, you can see it in the center there, but the edges really appear to make these look like they're violet iridium or polarized violet iridium lenses. And again, these are OEM. These are not third party. These are not aftermarket. But given the fact that the black lenses, they're okay, but you got an Infinite Hero pair of Flak 2.0s here, right? The only violet you have, if you have the original lenses, is going to be here on the icon. Again, I wish they would have had at least, this is my opinion, but they should have at least originally came with violet lenses and or violet ear socks. But so we souped these up a little bit. We'll put them here. I wish we had more natural lighting. Sorry, it's a little bit later in the evening, so we're not going to get as quite a good of color. Maybe you could try turning on the other light and see if that helps. I don't know that it will though, but you can probably see in here, yeah, these are sapphire. They're not violet lenses, but they almost appear to be violet depending on the angle that you're looking at them from, right? Especially from the side, because of that beautiful hue, or those beautiful hues that they exhibit here. But these are some of my favorite Flak 2.0. I got a lot of favorites. Ask my wife. It's hard to say, oh, this is my favorite or that's my favorite. There's a lot of favorites, which is why it's nice to have, if you can afford it, you know, if you got it in the budget, it's nice to have a big Oakley collection because it's cool, right? So let us know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. Do not forget to hit that bell icon, and we will see you next time on Rare Oakleys.